Okay, we're recording the sewer line at 10513 Dixon Drive South. The date is April 9th, 2018. I'm recording through a toilet flange in the bathroom on the main floor. There's the flange. And we're going in. So this is all cast iron pipe running under the house. Cast iron, head into plastic repair, recently installed, the clean out, and then you head into liner. This is 4-inch liner. Liner was recently installed as well. Plastic repair down there, and into what looks like HDPE plastic. Another plastic repair, and the city main. That is the city main you're looking at there, flowing by. Upside down, let's rewrite that. Boom. Technician today is Casey. I'm signing out.